This is the setup for the experiment called Takeoff. We have a motion sensor applied down here at this end of the track. The track number, here it says 34, matches the lab station number, 34. And the small side of the metric scale is closest to the computer. That's very important. This motion sensor is set on the cart setting or the narrow. It is not set on the person nor on the wide angle setting. So cart or narrow. And then over here there's a measurement, pretty rough scale, but we wanted about 2.5 degree rotation up vertical, up from horizontal, vertically up from horizontal. Here is our cable. Yellow plugs into channel 1, black into channel 2. This has been loosely coiled and then wrapped around once or twice to keep this fairly secure. The digital balance has been pulled out and is sitting right here. We need a block, which is stored down in the cabinet. We need a mass, a bubble level, and a cart. And those are stored here in the drawer. Cart 1 is probably the best one to choose. And then we need a fan assembly with a rubber band. Now this requires 4 AA batteries, which you should position up at the front of the room on either station 31 or 38. Just put all the batteries up there. 32 batteries for the whole room are needed. I normally put in 36 just so we have some backups in case there's a problem. The students will turn this over. They will attach the fan to the cart with friction, and then they'll use this rubber band and actually stretch it from here all the way down to underneath the cart to keep this thing secure, so when they do a quick stop it won't fly off. But we'll let the students attach that because they need to put the batteries in there. So we turn the cart over. Down on this side of the track we have the bumper with the magnets facing inwards. The attachment is opposite the metric, and again far away from the computer we have the counting up the higher numbers on the metric scale. This system gently loosens here, slides out. Normally it's stored underneath the track for shelf storage, and there's a nice little track right here for the nut to slide into. So you don't want to take the nut all the way off, just gently loosen and reposition on top and tighten it down. The fan motor assemblies are stored over here in this cabinet, at least for now. Some do not have fan covers on them, fan housings. Others do. The rubber bands are right here. If you ran out of rubber bands, they're in the refrigerator in the storage room. That's also where the batteries are. So that is the setup for the experiment called Takeoff for Physics 1250, the physics of aviation.